Southwest 3149, can you look at your 1 o'clock and about 20 miles? We're looking for an aircraft. Do you see if you see anything out there on the ground?
According to media reports, 3 people lost their lives in a small plane crash in Bath Township, Michigan. Authorities confirmed that the incident occurred around 5 p.m. near the intersection of Clark Road and Peacock Road. All 3 individuals on board were pronounced dead at the scene. The aircraft, a Mexican-registered Hawker 800XP, XA-JMR, was completely destroyed upon impact. Records show that XA-JMR had arrived at Battle Creek Regional Airport, BTL, on March 25, 2025, and the ill-fated flight was its first since that date. Preliminary findings suggest that the aircraft was conducting a stall test following recent maintenance work. Flight data, ADS-B, and audio recordings from liveatc.net indicate that the plane took off from Battle Creek Regional Airport at 21:08 Universal Time Coordinated, climbing to a planned altitude of 15,000 feet. The crew had requested a block altitude between 14,000 and 16,000 feet for testing purposes. At 21:27 Universal Time Coordinated, after passing over Lansing, Michigan, the aircraft began a left turn and descended roughly 600 feet before climbing again to 15,000 feet. Moments later, it entered a rapid descent and impacted the ground approximately 1 minute afterward. A radio transmission captured on Cleveland Center's frequency indicated that the crew reported being in a stall shortly before the crash.
Just for request at work area and 15,000 and between the 2,000 and plus less for work area.